Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show how to change and reset your local password. Okay, you need to have admin rights in order to change your password or reset your passwords. Two ways to reset or change the password. In the first option, you need to click on here, start menu, then go to setting option. Once you click on setting option, you should be able to see more options. Click on the account options which says your account, email, sync, work, family. Click on this option. Now choose the this option, sign in options. Okay, now you will see more options to log in, but we are going to reset our password or change our password. So you need to choose this option, password, sign in with your account's password. Okay, click on this option. Now you should be able to see this option which says change. Click on change option. Now you can choose your password, login username here. So I am changing it. Okay, click on next. Okay, new password you need to type. First you need to type the old password. Previously on the first screen you need to type the old password, and now type here the new password which you want. Again type here the reconfirm it. Then you can type the hint or you can leave it blank. So I'm typing it the hint. Okay, click on next. Now you can see next time you sign in, use your new password. It means that the password has been changed now. You need to click on finish option here. Okay, it's changing your password and now password has been changed. Okay, this is the first option. You can try to change or reset the password. In the other method and the old method, you can try in all the windows. Go to this PC or the file explorer option. Okay, then you need to choose this option, this PC. Right click on this PC and click on manage option here. Okay, now you should be able to see the local users and group. Click on this option or you can double click and expand from the side. Then click on users. Okay, once you click on users, you should be able to see all the login users on this Windows. In my case, I'm using this account which says user. Right click on it and click on set password. Okay, it means that we are going to reset our password. Click on proceed. Now type here the new password. Okay, then again reconfirm it. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK button here. Okay, now we have successfully reset our password, change our password, or you can log out from here. Okay, you should be able to see the sign out option, and after that you can use your new password. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.